Datto Workplace, an enterprise-grade content sharing and collaboration tool, enables MSPs to centrally configure, manage, and monitor their clients' critical business data. With Workplace, clients can work within an intuitive user interface anytime, anywhere, without putting their efficiency or security at risk. All Workplace files and folders in your cloud repository can be stored locally for offline access, whether you're in the office or on the go. Business data is kept safe for clients with advanced ransomware detection and management capabilities. Threats are automatically detected, tracked, and reverted back to safety without disruption or loss of productivity. Datto Workplace can act as a central content repository with the ability to work in and out of key file types like Microsoft Office and Google Docs. This enables seamless collaboration and secure management for clients, all while being managed by the MSP. MSPs have complete governance of client-critical business data via Workplace Manager. Built for the MSP, Workplace Manager is an online portal within Datto Workplace that allows for storage management, provisioning, and administration across all clients. Why is this valuable? This eliminates clients working in and across several file locations and types and gives MSPs complete control over data in the event of disaster or security threat. This also makes auditing and compliance reporting requirements easy with sophisticated administrative controls and auditing trails. Datto Workplace is the managed collaboration solution, enabling complete governance, secure management, and seamless collaboration. Find out more at datto.com/workplace.